y'all. So I wanted to kind of take y'all on a tour through some of the area of the hotel where I'm staying, so that you all can see kind of what it looks like out here. I hope this is capturing all of this view. I'm gonna try to go back through it again, but I'm gonna at least take y'all through a walkthrough. These are some of the rooms that lead out to this patio area, and this is where the pools are. The sitting area is cabana area, and I have to say it's pretty cool. Those seats, those steps lead up to another seating area. There's some places where you can kind of sit out and look at what's going on or what's happening at the pool. I'm just capturing this well enough for y'all. I really want y'all to be able to kind of see everything if I can. Hopefully y'all can kind of see where I came from, where I ended up at. And you kind of see a good view of everything. This is really nice out here. Very lush and green. You can sit over here if you want in the sun and sunbathe. Those are more rooms, so I'm not gonna go that way. This is one of the pools. This pool may be heated at night. I'm not entirely sure, but there's a hot tub right across there, and in that area over there where you see the black logs, that's the shower. And this is kind of the view. If you wanted to sit out here, sit under the gazebo area, you could sit out here and not be too hot. I think it's pretty cool. I think it goes to maybe about 4 feet at the deepest end. Pretty cool. And then up here is the other pool that you can come and hang out and sit in. I'm just glad there's not a lot of people in this hotel this weekend, so I could actually come out here and stream and not disturb anybody. And if y'all can see kind of up there in the way, that's a veranda that you can kind of sit out on and watch what's going on as well. So this is just a small little snippet of some of the things in the hotel. I'm gonna take y'all to another pool area that they have, and one of the running themes of this hotel are these beautiful hearts that they have throughout. I'll try to show y'all those as well. So I'm gonna get back to y'all in just a little bit.